Very good afternoon to all. Yes, welcome back to our EVS class. So all of you on your videos, first of all. On your videos. Keep on your video. Navya, Kandala Udayasri. Yeah, very good afternoon. So come inside. Excellent. See, in previous class, we learned air and water. So already we learned about air. Excellent. Arabia. Already we learned about air. Yes, Manidi? Did you learn air? Yes? Unmute yourself.
Teacher, what teacher?
I learned in previous class already we learned air, na? So air has space. Air occupies the space.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So air occupies the space and also air has weight. How we prove? We take 3 sticks and we use the balloons. Yes, so we use that. That stick is coming down and another side is going down. And means it has that air has weight. Yes, so and we learn about air pollution also. So we use vehicles. So that and we have some factories also. Some factories too that air black air is coming outside. It is the total pollute the air. Yes, it is done by smoke from vehicles. Smoke from vehicles and factories. The factories too some smoke is coming outside means that is black in color. So it pollute the total air. And what can we do to prevent air pollution also? We prevent the air pollution. How it is possible? So we use the bicycles and such any short distances there you go on foot. Yes, means you use the less of vehicles and you plantation of new plants. Yes, to plantation of new plants. So we learned in previous class these topics. So today I explain about water. Did you know children water? Do you know water? Yes or no? So we know very well everyone, each and everyone, we know about water. So we can see water, but we cannot see air. But we can see water and we drink water also. So without air, how we live? So we cannot live. So same like that, without water, we cannot live. We cannot live without water. So see children, sometimes what is happen? So we don't have a water body. So we want water, our total also that total mouth also dried. So we want water. So means after that 1 or 2 days we can live, but after that we can die. But see children, air. So close your nose and mouth. Just we can live only 5 minutes. Yes, after that we can die. In air we can live only few minutes. Without the air we can live only few minutes. But without water we can live 1 or 2 days only. So air and water, these two are very, very important in our life. Yes, yeah, and the same like the food also. Air, water, and food. Air, water, and food. These three are main part of our daily life. Because if we don't have anyone, we cannot live. Yes? So food also. We don't take food. How we live? So we live 1 week, 10 days, or 1 month. After that we can die. Yes? So air, we don't have, so air, water and food. These three are the part of our life. Very important. These three are very important. Because of we cannot live without air, water and food. Yes, children? So more than, see children, this is our earth. This is our globe. So we separate the four. We divide the four parts. So one part is earth. One part is earth means it is land. So that is total these three parts. 1, 2, 3. These three parts total filled with water. So what is that? More than 3/4. More than 3/4 of surface of the earth. Of surface of the earth are covered by water only. So this is the earth total. So one part is land. So other three parts means quarters. Other 3/4 is water. 1/4 is land. Okay, means that is the 3/4 of surface of the earth are covered by water. Means we can see how one part only land means earth. So another 3 parts are total water. Okay, the rivers flow down. So these 3 parts are the water. Okay, it is okay. Means we have one part of earth and 3 parts of water. Okay, so see children, how we get water? How we get water? We have some sources. We have some sources. So suppose rain is there. This is the main source of water. This is the main source of water. So that water source, what is the main source is water is water. Main source of water is rain. Yes, when rain comes, so the total water. So what is the main source is rain only. So how we get water? Suppose we have a bore. So from bore to we get water. But how it is the earth also get water? Means that water content. So when rain falls, so that the earth is that inside the earth that water part is locating there. Yes. Suppose see children, without rain, what will happen? We cannot live because without water we are suffered with water only. Because drinking water and farmers also waiting for rain only. Because in the agriculture purpose, but that is the main source. Not only agriculture purpose. See, main source that water main source is what? Rain only. From rain to we get water. So after that, what we is that rivers flow down the mountains to from waterfalls, lakes, seas, and oceans. The rivers flows. Suppose we have mountains. So these are the mountains. What the Himalayas. So that Himalayas, what is this? These are the mountains. So in Himalayas, that is total snowfall area. Not only in winter season. So all seasons they have many snowfalls, snow area. Means that total these mountains also with snow only. Okay, that mountains also with snow only. Ice cubes. Yes. So from when rain, rivers flow on the mountains. It makes the seas, oceans, lakes, ponds, and tanks. So these are the main sources. These are the sources of water. What is that? River, sea, oceans, ponds, lakes, so tanks. These are the sources of water. But rain is a main source. Rain is the main source of water. So other we have some sources of water also is there. What are that? Rivers, sea, oceans, ponds, lakes, and tanks. Balaji, don't be type, Nana. Balaji, don't type. Okay? See children, oceans and seas. Ocean and sea. These two are very large water bodies. These two are large water bodies. Very large water bodies. Water bodies means what we call in Telugu, vanal. So sources also same like only. Water bodies means sea and oceans. These two are very large water bodies. Means these two have what more of water. These two have very large water bodies. Okay, and contain only these two are contain only salt water. So see, sea and ocean, these two are salt water only. We know we cannot drink. Contain salt water, salty water, we cannot drink that type of water, and we cannot use in agriculture purpose also. Salty water, yes, we can. Salty water is not fit for drinking and cooking and any other use. Means in agriculture purpose also we cannot use salty water. Means it is useless water. Sea and ocean water are salty water. So it contains the salt. So we cannot, can you drink salty water? Can you drink salty water? No, we cannot drink salty water. Just we can drink purified water. Yes, so sea and ocean, these two are the very large water bodies and it contains salty water. So we cannot use any cooking purpose or drinking purpose or other purpose also. We cannot use sea water and ocean water. Okay, next is rivers. So rivers, we know very well. Did you know children? Krishna, Yamuna river, Ganga river, Krishna river. Yes, we can listen this type of rivers names. Yes, and rivers are the water bodies similar than oceans and seas. Similar than ocean and seas, but then lack what lakes are there. So not same to seas and oceans. Means that quantity is some less. So here very large water is it, but here large water. means not more than seas and ocean water bodies. Means here less of sea and ocean water. Okay, here water. So we can use these water. We can use these water for drinking purpose and cooking purpose and any other purpose also. We can use the river water. And did you know, children, Krishna water? Did you listen that word? Yes, Sagar water. Sagar. Yes, some of the people they drink Sagar water. Means how we get Sagar water? We get from Krishna river. That water we get from Krishna river. After then we purify the water. After we can use drinking purpose. So directly you can drink a river water? No, directly we cannot drink because they have some dirty particles, some germs, some what insects also, dead particles also is it. So after that we pure it. We purify that water after we can drink and we use the cooking purpose also. Okay, rivers are the water bodies smaller than oceans and seas, but bigger than lakes and ponds. Smaller than oceans and seas, but bigger than ponds and lakes. That quantity is smaller than seas and oceans, but bigger than ponds and lakes. Okay, children. Next, many rivers get their water from. So, how we get the water? See, here mountains are there, na? Yes, these snow mountains. So, water from the melting snow of the mountains. So, when the snow is melting, that water is float on river. So in summer season, the snow is melting. Where snowfall areas, so that snow is melting. So it melting and float into a river. After that river float, the river float into a water ponds and lakes. Okay, melting snow of the mountains. So many rivers get their water from the melting of snow of the mountains. Okay. Next, most rivers flow into the seas and ocean. See, suppose so sometimes rain we suffered with rainfalls. So at that time, what will happen? So ponds are total filled with water, and rivers also total filled with water. So they what they use. So suppose Nagarjuna Sagar is there. So total that barrage is total filled with water. So what they do? They open the gates. So that water, after that water is floating in the seas and oceans. After that water is floating in the seas. Means in the seas, we get the water goes into a seas. Suppose you have a bucket, Nana. So you have a bucket. So from up to you have tap. So water is filling the bucket. Yes, that total bucket is filled with water, but the tap is on. So another extra water is where it is going. So it's going from down. So same like that. So barrage. So suppose Nagarjuna Sagar is there. So that Nagarjuna barrage is total filled with water. So what they do? They open the gates. So the from gates to the water is flow out. Yes, so that extra waters of rivers, the extra waters of rivers flow into the seas and oceans. Seas and oceans. But even river water needs to be cleaned. So that extra water float into a seas and oceans. But we are using a river water. So we cannot directly drink. We cannot drink directly when we pure the water. So first we purify the water, then we can drink water and cooking purpose also. Okay, just we can drink fresh water. Yes, we can drink fresh water. Next, lakes and ponds. See children, here seas, oceans are there. Oceans, seas and rivers are there. So, see in rivers, they have a fishes. And see oceans, seas also have a fishes. And see oceans, we can see dolphins, shark, whale, that very big water animals. Where we can see that type of animals in oceans and seas only. Yes, whale, whale, shark, and blue whale. So this type of whale, these are the very big water animals. Yes, that size also very big now. So we can see the type of animals in seas and oceans only. Yes, next is lakes and ponds. So in this we can see small quantity of water. In these lakes and ponds, so we can see small quantity of water. So it is smaller than river. It is smaller than river. Okay, and the surrounds the side. See, this is lake. Lakes means what? Oh, it is a lake. So that river is a take in that river more quantity of water, but in ponds and lakes they have some quantity, means some less of quantity, means it is smaller than river. Okay, children, they are surrounded on all sides by land. Suppose it is a pond. So from here to have some float, that water is float all sides. That water is floats all sides. Okay, children. So it is a ponds and lakes. So the ponds are smaller, some of the smaller and some of the bigger. Okay, some of the smaller and some of the bigger. Okay, the small ponds and lakes are less than of, means it is smaller than river. That river is a very more quantity of water. See, yes, sea and oceans are very large water bodies. Very large water bodies. Water bodies means how we get rain. So when seas, oceans are there only that water bodies we can get the rain. Water bodies means vanaru. So how we get food from plants and animals, same like that, how we get water. So from rain, rain is a main source. But rain also, how we get that rain? That is a sea and the ocean is a large water body. Okay? Okay, children. So lakes and ponds are smaller than rivers, and they are surrounded on all sides by land. So children, See, does a river or a canal flow through your city? So suppose in your surroundings, if you have any river or canal, suppose Musi is there. So that is a one type of, that is a canal. So if you have in your surroundings, so you know that, just you learn that name. So where, suppose Nagarjuna Sagar is there. So where it is located in Nalgonda district. Yes, children. So in Bhadrachalam. So it is located in Khammam district. Yes, so same like that in your surroundings, any canal or river is there, just you identify. Okay, children? This is the water. So what is today's class? So rain is a main source of water. So without water, we cannot live. Without water, we cannot live. So rain is a main source of water. So another also is there. What are that? Rivers, sea, ocean, ponds, lakes, lakes and tanks. So these are the sources of water. So sea and ocean, these two are the salty water. So we cannot use these water for drinking purpose, cooking purpose and agriculture purpose also. We cannot use sea water and ocean waters. And rivers. Rivers are, we can use river water. So when we purify this water, and this is when fresh water is there, we can drink. Okay. Next, ponds and lakes. These are the smaller than rivers. So these water also we can use in agriculture purpose, cooking purpose and drinking purpose. Okay, children. Tanks means cheruvulu. Do you know? So in your villages, you can see that tanks. Yes. So this is water. In next class, I will explain uses of water. What is the uses of water and what is the importance of water? So when we use water, when we doesn't we use water. Okay. If you have any doubt. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Manideep, Motavarshita, Uksara, Pravasi. If you have any doubt, Aradhya, Navadeep. Unmute yourself. Navadeep. Navadeep and Uday Kumar. Mowgli Uday Kumar, I think. Unmute yourself. What is your doubt? No? Okay. I hope today's class is you understood. Yes? Thank you. I conclude the class.